Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. If you're new here, I'm a coach for any who loves to play with makeup and tends to buy makeup when I don't need to. And of course, if you've been here before, welcome back. Today's video is a Ipsy Glam bag. I know it's a little late, but it happens. I usually get my Ipsy videos up early in the month, and this time I didn't because one, it was a little bit late, and two, I've been out of town. And yeah, so if I look, I'm a little hoarse. It's because I've been sick the past couple of days. It's just one of those respiratory things, sinus problems and everything else. When everybody else in my house got it, I was the last one, and you know, school cooties that kids get used to, everybody's germs and everything. But yeah, I'm over it. I'm done completely. Bye-bye. See you later. Yeah. Usually I don't get really sick really long. I might get this sinus respiratory problems, maybe, but that just depends. So, I got this month's bag because I got a free gift because I restarted my Ipsy, because I wanted to see what they got, and I was really interested on what to get this month because I kind of skipped it for a couple of months because I want to see something. And the first two times I restarted it was in April or March. Whenever I restarted it, I got skincare products more, and then next month I got more skincare products. Like, I don't need any more skincare products. I really don't. I do, so I can put them in giveaways. Most of these products, one of the products I am going to put in a giveaway. So, for this month is a Wonder Lust. It's a card kit that you get. Recharge, reset, and go off the grid. Discover rare new ingredients. Go wild with many try techniques and soothe your skin and your mind. Your greatest adventure starts with you. So, like I said, I got 5 products, but I didn't pick or choose anything because, like I said, but I'm very excited about these because some of these, there's like 2 brands, and about 2 brands I have not tried. The rest I have tried, so you'll see. But I did have an extra product in there because I did restart this month, but that's the only time. But hopefully in the meantime I can get more products, like I want to add on so I can try different products. Where if I don't like the products I get for that month, I'm like, oh, I'm happy, but I just put in the giveaway. If I do a giveaway, I kind of build up and have a big one, so that might be twice a year. But this one I probably do it for Christmas like I did a couple of years back. But yeah, so here we go. The first product I'm going to show you guys that I'm very excited to try out. I kind of really messed up because I did open it like a memory when it's got heated, and yeah. I got the Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek in Werk. So this is my first time I've ever gotten a product from Milk, and ever since my first time of trying Milk. I know Milk is one of those clean beauty ones that are cruelty free, and people seem to love Milk. It's a nice sample size, which I'm very excited because I like these kind of sizes anyway because it only takes a long time to get through this for any reason. So yeah, as you can see, it's kind of melted because of the heat. So it says your makeup kit equals not complete with a 2-in-1 cream stick. The dusty rose shade can be used to give your cheeks a pretty flush and your lips a gorgeous tint. Plus is infused with moisturizing mango butter, peach nectar extract, and avocado oil to soften skin too. This is a deluxe sample, and the full-size version is $28. I think this is the only one that's the only one that's really expensive. So this is called Werk, and this is a dusty rose, and that's a pretty color. I don't know if you can see that. That's a really pretty color. I'm definitely going to try this as a cheek and possibly a lip thing, but I'm going to probably use it for cheek because I'm going to do, so you will see a video right here for me trying it out and everything. Let's want to do something different. So that's very exciting to try. This is like really soft. Oh, this blends really beautifully. That's gonna blend. This is definitely one to use probably. I've never tried cream products, so I don't know how to use it. But I know sometimes people use a what's it called? A yeah, like something like this. I don't know, something like this for cream blushes. So I am definitely gonna try that out. So the next product I got is TheBalm. TheBalm Cosmetics Lid-quid Sparkling Liquid Eyeshadow in Rose, or Rose. I think it's Rose. It is a nice, pretty color. I love the balm. They are closer free. This is definitely pigmented. It's a nice sheer tone. I really like that. Beautiful, blendable, and buildable. This baby is what eyeshadow dreams are made of. Swipe it on your lids and then blend it out with a brush for a wash shimmery rose gold color that lasts for hours without creasing or fading. The full size product, this is a deluxe stuff, and the full price is $14. That's not bad. A lot of eyeshadows lately have been going up the price, which, you know, everything goes up the price. But this is really creamy and it's really has a nice sparkle. Like, you can use this, there you go. You can actually use this use it on yourself and just have to do that everyday glam or everyday look, and this is probably what I will use. So I really do like that. So yeah. I really like the shimmer. I like that. Doesn't look like a rose gold to me. Usually rose gold has like a pink undertone, a pink goldish undertone, but this does not. Looks like a gold, but a nice stellar gold. Now, I got the Farah blender brush in a 25E Rose Gold Collection brush, and these are like one of my all-time favorite brushes. I do have a lot of favorite brushes. I got a couple, and I love getting these. This is what most of my brushes are from, is from Ipsy, because I don't tend to buy brushes. Some of my brushes have been gifted. Some of them are been from here. Some of them are that I bought in a collection years ago, and some of them are just that I got in mystery boxes or anything like that. So this one is it's a blender brush. It's still a 25E. Look at this side. These are really soft, and I will definitely use this as a blender brush. Just to help keep the edges along with it. So I'm definitely gonna try this out. The brushes are very high quality brushes. These are closer free, so these are really good brushes. I really do recommend them. If you get these brushes from Ipsy or you buy them online, these are really pretty. I really do enjoy these. Now, the next one is called Beautiful Real. It's Eyeliner 24/7 waterproof eyeliner in Peacock, which I love trying that new eyeliner, especially on the waterline. Lately I've been loving the ColourPop one, and I've been loving my NYX. I really like that. NYX has always been my favorite, but this one I want to try. So I'm definitely going to try this one. This is off, that is the brush is full size, and that one is $11. Sorry if I didn't mention that. And this one is $16. So, let's do this. We're always looking for the eyeliner that stand up to summer humidity, sweat, and of course cool days. And this is the one that definitely delivers. The gel-based formula is highly The gel-based formula is high pigmented and waterproof, so it can splashes right away without fear of smudging. Let's pretty blue. It's like a navy, I don't know, navy blue. Yeah. It does have a little sparkle to it, which, I like a matte, more matte eyeliners. I would definitely use this as an eyeshadow base if I really want to, or do like a reverse cat eyeliner. That'd be cool to do. I do want to try that trend that's going on. But it's a pretty blue. I don't know if you can really see that. But that's a really cute blue. I really like it. It's really creamy. So I'm definitely going to try this out. How much for it? It's about, it says 0.30, about 0.30, 306 grams of product, so that's about It's also made in Germany. So I like trying out new products from different countries. So that's one of the things I really do like about Ipsy. You get to try new indie brands that you never heard of or you always wanted to try. So yeah. Now this one is that one is $16. The eyeliner is $16, which I would have paid less than that for an eyeliner, but I don't mind. It's a really good product. I'm going to use it. So this one is, I'm not going to take this out of this box because I am just, oh, this is it. This isn't a, what's it called? It's called Item Beauty Light Sauce Gel Moisturizer Mini. It's so awesome. So, yep, we scored TikTok Superstar 8 Addison's Rays Item Beauty products just for you. Perfect for oily skin types, but great for all. This derm tested gel formula skin hydrate and healthy with tiger extra and ceramides. This is a deluxe fill and the full size is $20. So if I ever want to try this product out, I would. For $20. So the brand that I got for my 6th product as a gift, this is a free gift, it's called Araceli, I think that's how you pronounce it. It's made in Germany. It is a full-size product. It goes in black and it is a felt tip, which is awesome because, yeah, it's really good. So I'm going to show it off anyway. Hey, that's black as heck. Oh my gosh, that's something. And it goes matte. Oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna try that out because I have some new black eyeliners also, but I do want to try this out because I never tried this brand and it's also a free gift and I want to put it in there. And for today's, for this month's bag, I really do like this. I do like this bag. I think it's a cute clutch. We're gonna use it as a clutch. That's what it looks like, which is really cute. Goes in green, which I also like it. Everything fit in here, really good. So I really do like that how they that. So this is really cute and it's like an out, actually like snake or alligator print or felt, but this is faux. It's not really anything like that, which I do like. I do like animal prints, something like that. My favorite animal print is the leopard print. This is really pretty. I really like that. But what I gotten, the ones I'm very excited about to try out is definitely the milk one. I'm glad I finally get to try milk. I heard so many good things about this brand and I'm very excited for it. For that price, will I pay for it? $28 for a full size? No. Tell the truth, I will not. I will not buy a 28 foot. But I don't mind getting samples. That's one thing I don't mind. I don't mind trying samples out. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this one. What if you ever tried Ipsy and everything else? What did you get for this month? If you did get this month's bag. If you did like this bag, anything else, if you like this month's products, whichever you got, and what products did you get? Because I'm excited what you got. you haven't tried it, you do want to try, I do have a referral link if you want to try it. So guys, yeah. So I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. And don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe button as well, be part of the Makeup Addict family, and of course hit the notification bell so we can. So, like I said, in a few days when we're not talking. Okay. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified. I'm so happy. I'm so happy I can get back to videos because I miss creating videos when it's hanging out with you guys. So guys, hope you, like I said before, hope you have a wonderful day, wonderful night, wherever you're at, and I love you and God bless. Bye!